Number 10. In the diagram above, the curves y equals sine x and y equals cos x are drawn in the domain between 0 and 2 pi. Now there's your sine curve, there's the cos curve. The curves intersect at the points A and B. The shaded area enclosed by these curves is A, B, C or D. Now we'll make this job a lot easier if we just work out the area here, because that's identical to this one. So we'll do that, and then we'll just double our answer. Okay, so we'll take this line from there to there. Now this will be at pi upon 4. We'll take another line here, and that's pi upon 2. Okay, so we're going to work out that area. So we'll work out the area underneath the sine curve, excuse me, and we'll work out the area underneath the cos, and we'll subtract the 2. So that's our first area. So area 1 equals the integral between pi upon 2 and pi upon 4 of sine x minus cos x dx. Okay, it's going to be equal to, now integrating sine, you get minus cos. This becomes sine between pi upon 2 and pi upon 4. Take out that minus sign for convenience. Now I've got the cos of x plus the sine of x between pi upon 2 and pi upon 4. Now that's equal to minus. Now the cos of pi upon 2 is 0 and the sine of pi upon 2 is 1. So it's 1 minus. Now this will be cos of 45 is 1 on root 2. And this also is 1 on root 2. So that's minus, so equals minus 1 minus, this will be 2 over root 2. You rationalize that, you're going to just get root 2. So that's minus 1 minus root 2, which of course becomes root 2 minus 1, as that little bit of area there. Now we'll work out this other area here, and area 2 will be the integral underneath the sine curve between, here it is, pi and pi upon 2 dx. And that's equal to the integral of, sine goes to minus cos x between pi and pi upon 2. Take out the minus sign again. You've got to be careful with these negatives. They're rather deadly. And that's minus, now this is the cos of pi, which is minus 1, minus the cos of 0, which is just 0. Cos of pi upon 2, which is 0. And this of course gives you the answer of 1. Right, so the total area of the top bit will be root 2 minus 1 plus 1, which is just root 2. But remember, we have to double it, so the answer is 2 root 2 unit squared, which is C.